The training centre here, we house men's team, women's team, academy, all of the front office. So Tier 1 sports team, Racing Louisville, and the ladies, similar to the men's team, would come in, have breakfast, gym session, video session.
Ultimately, we want to produce the most professional players, national team players, collegiate players, and then give kids the opportunity to try to reach their goals. Soccer is relatively new to the Louisville area, Kentucky, and to have a facility like this allows us to kind of push the envelope and just give kids the opportunity to pursue their dreams.
This site was originally a landfill. So in 1974, tornadoes came through the area and they pushed all that debris into a hole. This site was unusable. So we started to look at the idea of dynamic compaction. They drop a 20-ton weight from 50, 60 feet up in the air in a regular grid pattern, and it densifies all of that material 20, 30 feet down into the ground. That dynamic compaction gave us the density of soil conditions to put the building on with just normal spread footings.
Originally, Louisville City wanted just locker room facilities to go with the practice facility. And eventually it grew because they were trying to attract the women's team, make those locker facilities exactly the same as the men's. And then once we had that design done, they decided, oh, we also want to move all of our corporate offices there, so can you add a second floor?
When you look at, the growth of the organisation, I think having one building where everybody actually comes to increases efficiency.
Games are going literally non-stop, usually from 9 a.m. to almost 9 p.m. at night. It's fair to say we utilize every inch that we can.
When the budget is tight, I try and pick my moments on where you try and do something special. So we tried to focus on that main entry point, having just a little bit more glass, having that kind of up and over, that white element to lead your eye around. That's what we were trying to accomplish so that we keep the rest of the building envelope fairly cost sensitive.
The work that went into the planning component and then the execution has been phenomenal, and it was a great process to go through.
In the end, it's a great facility. You see the kids playing and having a good time, and they don't know or care anything about all the problems. It's just a fun place to be, and that's what really is the most rewarding thing for us as architects.